So you know if you have a dog or a cat that they have a lot of hair and they shed awful. Well, this is for you. So what is it? It is a de-shedding grooming tool. And this part here, it helps get under um, the undercoat out. And then you can use this side. I don't know if you can tell here. This side and that side. So this side, it's for, brushing the top layer. And I like this one because the head is flexible, so it goes up and down. And so it makes it easier to brush your dog so that way it moves with their body. The handle on here, it is a really nice grip on it. So yeah, so it helps with shedding your dog or your cat, and there's not as much hair to clean up later. So anyways, you can check it out on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description, and I will see you guys later. Bye.